Printed circuit board space. This is the frontier explored by the world's electronic systems designers. The real estate where tomorrow's breakthrough electronic products are being constructed. These integrated circuit chips, or active components, are the building blocks of electronic innovation. Electronic designers face many challenges as they invent next-generation systems. On one hand is the need for higher performance and added functionality. On the other hand are the constraints presented by component characteristics and by physical boundaries. PC board space. To reach the backplane, electrical signals must leave the PC board and travel through one or more interface connectors, such as this DIN connector, a standard 96-pin Eurocard Type-C. The connector attaches a daughter card to a backplane, typically inside a card cage. This standard variety is widely used throughout the world in VME bus and Multibus 2 industry standard buses, as well as proprietary buses. The active Eurocard connector has all the functions of a standard Eurocard connector and adds significant new features. Of course, it provides a standard 96-pin daughter card to backplane connection and mates with all standard Eurocard backplane receptacles. But this connector incorporates an active module, a PC board with integrated circuit chips, passive components, and circuitry that would otherwise clutter the daughter card. By incorporating active and passive components within the connector, AMP provides distinct advantages for system designers and users. This technique adds chips and other components to a daughter card in a space previously used only for interconnection. Relocation of several integrated circuits and passive components into the bus connector can result in overall real estate savings and fewer components on the PCB. Essentially, this means more PC board space. Using active Eurocard connectors can lead to improved bus performance. IC bus drivers and receivers housed inside the connector can provide shorter electrical paths to the backplane and reduce the load on the bus. Reduced bus loading can increase the bus speed or allow the system to support more daughter cards. This connector's flexible architecture permits customers to insert active electronic modules of their own design. In fact, customers may choose to manufacture the modules if they prefer. The plated internal circuit patterns can be modified to address the unique requirements of various applications. Signal routing through or around the module is determined by the customer. Elastomeric surface-to-surface connectors facilitate simple, repeated insertion and removal of the electronic module. And action pin press fit technology makes it easy to repair damaged pins in the field. In summary, this Eurocard compatible connector, with its removable customer-specific electronic module containing active devices, can result in a net PCB real estate savings and improved bus performance. Active Eurocard connectors can improve the performance of graphics workstations, telecommunications and networking equipment, industrial controllers, image control equipment, medical monitoring systems, and numerous other applications.
Mark, have that coordinated COI.
For more information about the new active Eurocard connector, please contact your AMP sales engineer or call the AMP Product Information Center at 800-522-6752.